The roses blooming at my neighbor's house are absolutely stunning. I casually mentioned that I wanted some. My generous neighbor said I could air layer 2 stems from their plant. Such a rare chance. I immediately grabbed my tools. I made ring cuts on the chosen stem, then removed the bark from the cut section. The thorns above were plenty. Be careful to scrape the cambium layer. This stops nutrients from flowing back. Cut 2 slices from each end of a potato. Make a shallow groove in the middle. Do the same for the other potato half. Wrap below the ring cut. Form a small bump. Fit the potato pieces over it. Secure them with toothpicks, one above, one below. Cut a plastic bottle in half. Then cut both pieces lengthwise. The bottom half needs a hole for the stem. Slide it over from above the cut. It perfectly covers the potato. Fill with loose, airy coconut core. Pack it little by little. Once full, attach the top bottle half to close it. Tie it tightly with zip ties. I used the same method for another stem. With 2 stems, at least one should survive. Finally, wrap with cling film to seal. Half a month passed in a blink. I cut the stem from the base. Potatoes contain salicylic acid. It helps root growth. But when I dug into the soil, no surprise at all. The potato had rotted down to just the skin. Roots sprouted from the upper part of the ring cut. The lower part seemed rotten. I trimmed it off. Got a rose cutting with roots. When I opened the other one, the roots weren't very long. Both top and bottom had callus tissue. Roots had formed. You won't believe this. One of them even had a flower. Planted in a pot, survival rate 90%. In a year, I'll see my own roses.